everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're going to make molten raclette sandwiches. Yes, and you're going to say, what the heck is raclette? Well, raclette is this cheese from Switzerland, and it is made with aged cow's milk and is perfect for melting. It melts very well, it does not separate, and has a gorgeous flavor. And we're going to make two kinds of sandwiches. We've got prosciutto here, which is going to be paired with a Dijon style mustard, and we got mortadella over there. It's going to be paired with a hearty brown deli style mustard. So let's get going. What we're going to do first is we're going to cut the raclette into small pieces so it'll melt better, get molten. I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees, and you see I've got these two containers. I'm going to melt them, one in this and one in a non-stick saucepan, and we're going to see which one works better. There is such a thing as a raclette melter that you can buy. It's an ingenious little device, but I don't have one, so we're going to go with this way. And I'll let you know how long it takes at 350 degrees to melt this stuff. And while we're here, let's go ahead and try it. I'll let you know what it tastes like. Very soft, nice. Has a very rich flavor. It's got a tang, a bite. Wow. Reminds me of a very aged Swiss, but with a bite. And it's made with aged milk. I don't know what that is, but they say. So yeah, that's where it gets that tang. Reminds me almost a little bit of the tang you get from goat cheese, but it's not. It's whole cow's milk. So let's keep going. Okay, so we got our French bread sliced up, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to deliciously smear the mustard on the bottom half only, and you will see why this madness is like that. Okay, be generous with the mustard. It's good. It's going to complement the flavor of the cheese. Okay, and we'll get this piece of bread in here. You can see it. And we're going to take the Dijon style, put it here, and generously spread it like so. And now the cheese is in the oven at 350 degrees. We're waiting for it to melt. And now let's put on the meat. And now we have 3 delicious slices each of mortadella and prosciutto. Okay, first up, molten, is the prosciutto, and look at this cheese. This is exactly the way it's supposed to be, and yes, that generous. So we'll top it off with the greenery of spring onions, and we'll cap it. First sandwich ready. And next one up is the mortadella, and this is the deliciousness here, and we'll be generous with that one too. And no worries if I melted too much, folks. Once it solidifies, I can just scoop it up, put it in a plastic bag in the fridge. Okay? So we'll put some of this greenery on there, and apparently this is a must in France to put this on there to counterpoint the cheese. And we'll cap that up, and look at that. Let's go ahead and eat. Okay, I am going to bite the mortadella one first because I love mortadella. And oh, there's so much cheese on the backside. Oh, can you see that wad over there? Yeah, Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. That brown mustard goes so well with mortadella. The cheese, stupendous. And y'all know what? Yes to the French. Those green things in there. The green tops of spring onions, very good. Very nice counterbalance. French know how to eat, people. And that is one delicious sandwich. I can find raclette in the grocery store. You can too. Highly recommended. 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, people. Bye-bye.